Transform your balcony into a green oasis, inspiring garden ideas. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore creative ways to bring nature into your living space. Today we are dividing into the world of balcony garden. Whether you have a small balcony or small spacious terrace, there's always room to cultivate your own green oasis. Let's get started. First of all, if you are new here or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Maximize your space with a vertical garden. Utilize hanging pots, wall-mounted planters or trellis system to create layers of greenery. Mix and match different plants and add a texture and color. Considering trailing vines like ivy or ferns for a lush cascading effects. Vertical garden not only save space but also add a visually interest to your balcony. Turn your balcony into a mini herb garden. Plant herbs like basil, mint, rosemary and thyme in pots or window boxes. If you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Not only are herbs easy to grow, but they also provide fresh flavors for your culinary creations. Arrange them in a sunny spot and remember to water regular. With herb garden just steps away. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the icon. You shall never have to buy store-bought herbs again. Bring color or vibrancy to your balcony with a flower garden. Choose a variety of flowers, plants such as pentuas, marigolds and geraniums and sadabar to create a kaleidoscope of colors. Mix in some plants for contrast and textures. And here I have at 5 inspiring balcony garden ideas to transform your outdoor space into a green oasis. Whether you are a gardener, novice, or a seasoned green thumb, there's something for everyone and to enjoy. So roll up for your sleeves. Like, share, subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening. Thanks for watching. If you like the ideas or if you are new here, like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.